Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 4 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install applications on this watch. So let's get started. If you want to install applications on your watch, one thing to mention is that your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application, and it works both on the Android and iPhone as well. And once the devices are paired together, you need to open the Zepp application, then tap on device, icon right here in the bottom right corner, and you should see your GTS 4 right here on the device page. And under the watch picture, you will see the watch faces and then App Store. We are interested in the App Store. Tap on the arrow right here to open the App Store. And right here you have the list of applications you can install on your watch. So find something you want to install. I don't know, maybe let's say the Level Plus. Then you can read the description, what it does, features and stuff like that, see the screenshots. And once you decide to install the application, you tap on install, it will start downloading. Oh no, we also need to allow some permissions, as you can see, so allow them. Then it will start downloading, installing, and after it's done, the app will appear on your watch. You can also install multiple applications. So let's say we want to install as well something else. Maybe blood donation. Okay. Allow the permissions. And it's done. And at some point, if you install a lot of applications, you will run out of space for them. You can quickly remove them by going to Mine, tapping on More, and here you can tap on the bin icon, then select the app and tap on to remove it, and then you can install more applications if you want to. Anyway, once you install the applications, you can go to your watch, open the menu, and the icons of those apps should appear right here on the menu, probably at the bottom of the menu. And here we have our apps we installed, and we can open them by tapping on the icon. And that's how you install applications on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.